So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can set Trust Wallet as your default wallet. So guys, if you have not set Trust Wallet as your default wallet and you want to do so, then this video is for you. So once you've opened Trust Wallet and you're in the home screen, just look below to these options right here that say Home, Earn, History and Settings. We just need to find Settings and tap there, and now you'll see many options like Network, Developer Settings, Connected Apps, Blocked Apps, View Secret Phrase, Language, Color Mode, Notifications, Open in Side Panel, and finally Set as Default Wallet. So as you can see, I've turned this on. So guys, if you have this off, then just go ahead and tap this button to set Trust Wallet as your default wallet. So once you've turned this on, you've successfully done so. So guys, that's how you set Trust Wallet as your default wallet. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.